Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M7, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold the power button and the volume up at the same time, which brings up your boot options, and from here, swipe up to turn off your device. Give it a moment. And after a moment, we're going to hold again power button and volume up, though this time around we're going to hold it for a bit longer. So first we're looking for the POCO logo to show up on the screen, and when it does, you want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. Now when you see the recovery mode like this one, you can let go of the volume up, obviously. And to navigate through these options, you will need to use volume buttons. Volume up will navigate up, and down will obviously navigate down. So just to demonstrate it, there we go. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So in here, we get things like Reboot, which takes us back to Android. Wipe data, which consists of just a factory reset, just to show you. So wipe all data. Next, we have Connect with Me Assistant, which is a program for a PC, and repair mode. Now, anyway, I'm going to stick with the first option. I'm going to confirm reboot to system. And like I mentioned, this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.